Hi guys, welcome to Beautify. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I'm sure you've already read the title. This is a lazy girl skincare routine, quarantine version of course. And also I think during this quarantine, I am just switching between someone who's extremely lazy for her skincare and just does a ton of things when she feels like when I feel like my skin is just doing bad. So a lazy girl skincare it's basically for me it's when I use one step instead of two but get the benefit of both the steps. So I'll show you how to do that. So without further ado, we'll just get started. So the first step in my skincare routine is a cleanser or a face wash. So for a face wash, I like to use this Mama Earth's Upton face wash. I have spoken about this face wash in my best face washes of 2019 video, which I have done in my Instagram. If you're not following me on Insta, please go ahead and follow me. My handle is beautify_25. So yes, this is a very nice face wash. It has slight gritty particles, which is why it's good for removing your dead skin layers as well. I would suggest you using this face wash every alternate day, or even if you like use it every day, use it once every day. Don't go ahead and use it twice because that might cause micro tears in your skin and it's really not good. Now we'll just take a little bit of this and just put it all over our face, and here just massage it like any other normal face wash. So I would really suggest you using the 60 seconds face wash rule. So you basically keep massaging your face for around a minute, and if you're new to this, I would suggest you go ahead with 30 seconds and then 45 and then go ahead with 60, because cleansing is a very important step guys, and for cleansing you really need to take out time for cleansing your skin, because that's what is going to prep your skin for the further skincare that you do, like your face mask or your toner, your moisturizer. So cleansing is super important, and you need to do it very carefully and very nicely. So I'm just going to go and wash my face now, and I'll come back with the next step. I hope you can see what of the world of a difference this face wash makes. It actually makes your skin visibly brighter with just one usage. That's why I love this face wash. This is my second bottle. I've been using it like a year or so maybe. So the next step in our skincare routine would be a scrub. It's a proper skincare routine. It's a scrub. So since it is a lazy girl skincare routine, we will add the both up. So we are going to use a scrubbing face mask. So for the scrubbing face mask, I have two options for you guys. One is this Sage Apothecary 3-in-1 mud mask. You can find it in Amazon, or I got this from Smitten basically. Smitten is an application. I will talk about it in a later video sometime. So yes, I got this from Smitten, but you can also get this from Amazon if you want. It's a really great mud mask. It has activated charcoal and tea tree oil. Activated charcoal is great for deep cleansing, and tea tree, of course you know that tea tree is great for your acne. And so we'll just take this. I've used this face mask so much, it's almost about to get over. It's a great face mask guys. So I'm just going to take this and apply an even layer on my skin, and I like using my fingers to do so because I feel we don't waste the product but when we are using our fingers, and it applies so much better with fingers. So yes. So I have finished applying this mask in my entire face, and I'm going to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes till the mask dries out, and we'll just scrub it off. Also, I would like to add that if you do not have this face mask, I also have another option for you. You can also use the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. I will insert a picture over here, and this face mask also has gritty particles, and even they help in scrubbing your face off. So if you cannot get your hands on any of these two products, I definitely have a DIY for you. So we'll just go and watch the DIY till I try this out. For the DIY version of the scrub mask, we will need besan or gram flour, some coffee powder and a tablespoon of honey. First, we'll mix the coffee powder with the besan or gram flour. Coffee is said to be a great antioxidant and an exfoliator. Now we'll mix the honey. Honey is said to be a good moisturizing agent. Next, we'll cut half lemon juice and mix it. Lemon is said to brighten your skin and fade away those nasty acne marks. We'll mix all of the ingredients together to form a thick paste. You can mix more of lemon juice to make it more liquidy if you want. The consistency depends on how you want it to be. You can also apply this mask on your body. Apply this twice a week for a good and glowing skin. So it's been 10-12 minutes. The face mask has completely dried, like you can see. So I'm just going to take a few drops of water and massage on my skin, which is going to take away all my dead skin layers. So we'll just scrub this and wash our faces off. So we're done with scrubbing our face. I can't tell you how smooth my skin feels after I've used this product, guys, and it's a great product. I've been using it for quite some time now, and it's really good as a scrub and also as a mask. Now the next step for our skincare routine would obviously be a toner. So for toner, I would like to use the Good Vibes Green Tea Toner. It's a really great toner, guys. It has green tea, of course. It also has witch hazel and licorice extract. All of these ingredients, they just work great on your skin. Green tea is a great antioxidant. It works great on your acne prone and your acne scarred skin. And also it has witch hazel and licorice extract. All of these ingredients help in brightening up your skin. So I'm just going to spray this on my face directly. That is so refreshing. I'm just going to massage this onto my skin. It has slight bit of fragrance, not a lot, but it's a very refreshing fragrance and it just cools your skin down so great. So after the toner has been absorbed into your skin, the next step would definitely be a moisturizer. So for a moisturizer, I would like to use aloe vera gel. Just works great for me. I am from the combination skin type, and an aloe vera gel works great for me as a moisturizer. This is the Face Shop aloe vera gel. It's the 99% pure fresh soothing aloe vera gel. It's a 300 ml tub. This is my second purchase. I got this in the month of January and it's still not over half. So it's going to last me for another like 3-4 months if I'm not wrong. So this product goes a long way. It lasts for at least 6-7 months. That's what happened with my last purchase as well. It was the tube version of it. I would actually suggest the tube version more than the tub version because the tube is just, I feel it's just more hygienic than the tub. So we'll just take a little bit of this and apply it all over our face. Also, do not forget your neck. Now we'll just massage it gently. This product gets absorbed into your skin very quickly and it's definitely not sticky. So this was it, the Lazy Girl skincare guide. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. Do try out the products I suggested because they are really great and they are tried and tested products. Comment down below what more videos you want me to make. just keep doing your skincare and keep glowing. I love you guys.